Welcome! Today I'll show you just how easy it is to post a photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to share a special moment, a funny meme, or just brighten up your followers' feeds, these steps will have your photo online in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to x.com. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Post. This is your gateway to sharing anything new with your followers. A new window will pop up, ready for you to create your post. Now, let's add your photo. Look for the media icon. It looks like a small picture or landscape. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will open. From here, browse your computer and select the photo you want to share. Once you've chosen your image, it will automatically upload and appear in your post preview. If you'd like, this is the perfect time to add a comment or caption. Just type your message in the text box above the photo. You can keep it simple or get creative, whatever fits your style. Remember, you can also add hashtags, tag friends, or include emojis to make your post stand out. Once you're happy with your photo and comment, look for the Post button, usually at the bottom right of the window. Click it. And just like that, your photo is live for all your followers to see. That's all it takes. With these quick steps, you can easily share your favorite photos on X from your PC. So go ahead, try it out, and let your images do the talking. Thanks for tuning in, and happy posting.